Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another OS operating system. Today we're gonna take a look into how to update a Linux OS. Right now I'm here in my big Linux OS, which is a branch of Arch Linux and Manjaro Linux. So it is running in Manjaro based kernel and it is based on the Arch operating system. So this is a bleeding edge or the cutting edge, which is running always on the latest updates on this particular kernel and operating system. So right now, as you can see, it is turning red. I have one available update on this particular operating system, which is the big Linux. So let's click. So as you can see, we have the update. This is the secondary screen or the Mirrorcast screen mirroring application. So let's just click update. So it is refreshing the big Linux stable DB, which is the update file for this particular operating system. We can also take a look into the system that I have, which is the Manjaro in the kernel and based on the Arch. Oh, okay. Let's close this one first and let's click apply to generate the information. Okay. Don't forget to use your super secret password. So this update is also from the version 2.0.4-1 and it is now updated to 2.0.4-4, which is probably some bug fixes. That is why I could not screen mirroring towards my wireless HDMI, and not only that but also in my Mac OS. So yes, I could literally mirror the application from this Linux OS, the big Linux OS, to my Mac OS. I could use the screen vice versa from this two operating system. Not only that, but also capable of mirroring into my tablet, which is the iPad. So as you can see, it is still downloading some information. This is basically up to your speed. So it depends on the system, which is to capture the channel and download all those dependency for your update. So as you can see, this screen update is turning any device into a secondary screen on your computer. Oh, right. So okay, so it's already existing. So I think it is already done. So let me return. Yes. Let's up-to-date our system. Okay, so our system is now up to date as of right now. So cool. So how cool is that if you just don't need to go to a terminal just to update your system? So yes, not all Linux are using the terminal just to update or open some files, but it is depend upon you if you want to have the system that is easy for you to navigate and of course has a freedom to use whatever you want, as in freedom as being not restricted to any corporate operating system. So right now it's already done. So let's go to another operating system, which is KDE Neon Plasma. So I am now in my KDE Neon Plasma. So let me see. So Okay, so this is the KDE Neon Plasma 5.27.10, and the kernel is generic Linux 6.5.0-15. This is a different computer laptop that I have, so let me close that one. Let's go to this update. So let's open the update and see the update. So it is fetching the updates. So let us see how much do we have for this update. So it tells me that we have a lot, but it is not like, it is just only a total of 777 point. No, it is changing, so it's still updating. It is now 77. 778.5 megabytes of update. So as you can see, I have a lot of software to be up to date, including our system right here. 18 packages will be update on this system software that I have right now. So including the Brave, Chrome, OnlyOffice, and the organic maps, and of course some of my themes and add-ons and playing with the themes. So let's update. It is now updating. As you can see in the bottom, we have 2%, now 12, 14. Wow. So let us see how many minutes or seconds we'll be checking on this one. So this will be depends on how many bars or signal do you have on this particular update. So we have this on my network. It is 3 bars of signal from my Wi-Fi connection right here on my apartment. Total right now is 773.6 megabytes of download to finish everything. Now it is 763.7 megabytes. So let's wait. So right now we have 86% task completed. So let's wait. That's about total of 763.7 megabytes already. Alright, we arrive at 93% task finished, and we only have a total size of 1.6 gigabytes. Alright, so our update is now requiring to finish with a restart to complete the update process. So after this restart, it's gonna be okay and everything will be working fine. So let us restart our system. So we are now gonna restart our computer. So let's click this one. But before that, I have to stop recording the screen capture. So let's restart our computer. So as you can see, we could now click that one because I have a multiple OS on that particular computer. So as you can see, it is now up to date. It is also updating the system. It is installing everything in our kernel and in our OS, as we are now seeing those 20% installed. So that is how KDE Neon Plasma operating system and their update on their OS and kernel. So it is a little bit like different from the big Linux operating system, including I think Ubuntu. It has also different type of architectural update. So as you can see, it is still running at 93% updating our system, and it depends on the internet connection that we have. That is why some of that running an operating system is a little bit like having some issue, like the connectivity, which is a little bit like slow from time to time, and it is now reaching at 96%. Alright, so let's click this one because we are running in KDE Neon Plasma operating system. Alright, so we are now in our opening welcome page. So let's click our password, our super secret password. Alright, so there you have it. That is how we update our system and application and kernel for the KDE Neon Plasma 5.27. So that's it for our update from our big Linux to our KDE Neon. So let's try to check out the latest update right here. So I'm now in my, this is the KDE Neon. So I want to let you show you first my system. This is KDE Neon 5.27.10. So I have the latest. So let's go to the update. Let's see if we have a lot of update. See update. Let's click that one. Let's wait for the interface. So it has a different application compared to the, oops, what was this? Oh, okay. Compared to the big Linux, it has different architectural design. So I have the update for the application for FreeTube to the LibreWolf, Moldova browser, and of course my Brave browser, together with my add-ons like the weather widgets and the system. Yes, we have the system at the same time. So let's try to click right here, update all. Okay, let's click that one. How many? It is 0.5 gigabytes or 497.8 of total update. So let's try to wait for this update to finish. We only have left like, now we have 4 updates still downloading. Total size right now is 635 megabytes. So it is an 81% right now. So let's wait. As you can see, we don't have to go to the terminal. If we needed only, we need to go to the terminal, just like in our Mac OS. You just need to just click the application or buttons to update. There's no such thing like you need to use all the time the terminal. The users that is always saying that you need to use the terminal, they're just like playing. Ooh, okay. So you need to restart your computer to begin all those completed update. Okay. So I'm not being forced to turn off my and restart my computer, but that is the power of Linux. No need to be like forced to shut down and restart your computer. So that's about it for our OS operating system, how to update your Linux. I'm using the KDE Neon and the Big Linux operating system, all in KDE Plasma desktop environment. So thank you for hanging out and thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Catch another episode of OS next time. I'm Blair, your science teacher. Bye for now and see you in the next episode. And remember that science means knowing. That is why science is cool. Ciao!